Alright guys, welcome to the Wednesday directions video. Today's an easy one for you people at home. We looked at volcanoes yesterday, and so we're going to kind of deep dive and look at one of the more famous eruptions in American history. Some of you guys may know something about it, but you're just going to watch the Mount St. Helens video, the minute by minute. It's going to kind of break it down. It's a little more exciting than our typical video. I like it because it talks a lot more in depth about the geography and kind of the impacts of what it is. So it's good. I got a little video guide here to give you guys 10 points by watching it. So just watch the video here, fill in the your answers here. And again, if you want to write on the actual video sheet here, make sure you click File and then scroll down and make a copy, and then you can type right in there. Or if you want to, you can just have a Google Doc that's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then just have your answers. Like number 1, whatever. Number 2, true, and I'll know what your answers are. So just go through. It's only like 11 questions, and then you'll be good to go. All right, guys, have a good one. I'll see you guys tomorrow.